Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is a 14-inch MDF base. I found the center, drew a line here, and then the angles are marked at 45, 90 and 135. I drew some shapes and circles for me to start dotting with. Let's get started. Majorly people think I just pick up a board and start dotting, but that's not the story. I have to clean up the mess which I myself created with my previous dot art work, and then I keep a bowl of water ready to clean my tools then and there, and then the protractor, scale, compass, everything should be ready, and the colors that I'm supposed to use in the next artwork should be ready, and then the board, MDF board or a canvas or paper or whatever, and if it is an MDF board then I'll have to base paint it, let it dry. And after drying, then I need to find the center and draw the grids with whatever design that I want to create. Then start dotting. It's not as easy as everybody think it is. What about you? What do you all do before you start dotting? Let me know in the comments. Now I'll keep straight swipe in green. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. I'm going to keep golden yellow dots in the center. I'm going to keep straight swipe in yellow. I'll keep a dot and manually drag it to a swipe later. Now I am dragging it into a swipe. Now I'll walk the dots in between any two swipes in greenery. Now I'll keep straight swipes in yellow here. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. I'll keep 2 side swipes in greenery. Now I'll drag these green dots into small swipes. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll keep some greenery dots now. I'll keep some yellow dots now. Now I'll work the dots in yellow. Now I'll work the dot second layer again in yellow. Now I'll keep some green dots. I'll keep some more green dots now. Now I'll work the dots in green. One more layer of green working the dots. I'll now place some mirrors, so let me place Fevicol first. I'm placing moon shaped mirrors first. Now I'll place some more Fevicol for placing some mirrors. I've placed the round shaped mirrors also here. I'm sure all of you love this dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.